Hello students, these are the four exercises from 99 to 102 from the chapter number 26, medial semicircle. Let's start with exercise number 99. Be ready? Start. Member, reservoir, hardware, frequent, frequently, subsequent, subsequently. Next is 12, 12th, farewell, overwhelming, Brunswick, herewith, sandwich. Next is twiddle, twig, Cornwall, lime water, misquote, misquoted, misquotation, driftwood. Next is war, warlike, warm-hearted, warfare, warmer, war, warranty. Next is exercise number 100. Be ready. Start. Sealing wax, 20, 20th, Cromwell, Bothwell. Next is dwindle, dwindled, wherewith, therewith, bewilder, bewildered. Next is breakwater, blameworthy, seaworthy, Wandsworth, Cornwallis. Next is wick, wicked, wickedly, weaken, weakness. Next is exercise number 101. Be ready. Start. On Wednesday last, in the Memorial Hall, works up Mr. Walter Wild of Wakefield delivered an extremely fascinating lecture on the empire. He referred to the enormous size of the dominions, to the millions of people of various races living in them, and to the bewildering variety of animal life to be found in the area included in the empire. He deplored the frequent wars which had weakened British South Africa in the past, and expressed his belief that the future would tell a very different story. Mr. Wilde spoke in warm appreciation of the ever-growing love between the dominions and the mother country, and declared that genuine affection was the best possible bond of union between us. Subsequent speakers including included Messrs. Hardwick, Shadwell, and Wagstaff, and the audience accorded a warm expression of thanks to Mr. Wilde for his lecture. Next is exercise number 102. Be ready. Start. Dear sirs, we thank you for your letter of last week, and we are asking Messrs. Cromwell and Warbeck of Wentworth to look into the matter forthwith. We hope that the flow of water into the workings may dwindle away with the advent of the dry weather, and that the trouble may cease of itself. In any case, you may rely upon us to do all that we can to stop the nuisance in question. We have already told our engineer, Mr. Walter Wilson, to make close inquiry into the matter, and we thank you again for the kindly way in which you have warned us of the possible loss both to ourselves and to you. Yours truly. So these are the 4 exercises from chapter number 26 medial semicircle. अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.